Hello everyone, welcome back to our stock market learning channel. Before we start today's video, I kindly request all viewers to pause video and read the disclaimer shown on your screen carefully. Once you have read it, let's continue with today's lesson. Today we are going to learn about SEBI. Many beginners hear the word SEBI but don't know what it actually does. So today we will understand what SEBI is, why it was created, and how it protects investors like us. Let's understand with a simple example. Imagine a cricket match without an umpire. Players may argue, some players may break the rules, the match may become unfair. Now imagine a cricket match with an umpire. The umpire makes sure everyone follows the rules and the match is fair. In the same way, the Indian stock market also needs someone to make sure everyone follows the rules. That organization is called SEBI. SEBI stands for Securities and Exchange Board of India. SEBI is the regulator of the Indian stock market. Before SEBI became a statutory body in 1992, the Indian stock market faced many problems such as fraud, unfair practices, and market manipulation. To make the market safer and more transparent, SEBI was given the responsibility of regulating the Indian securities market. Today, SEBI works like a referee, watchdog, and protector of the stock market. SEBI works to protect three important groups. The first one is companies. Companies need money to grow. SEBI ensures that companies can raise money from the public through a transparent and fair process. The second and most important objective is to protect investors. SEBI works to protect investors from fraud, insider trading, false information, and unfair market practices. This helps investors participate in the market with greater confidence. The third one is market intermediaries. SEBI also regulates brokers, mutual funds, investment advisors, and other market participants. It makes sure they follow proper rules and regulations while serving investors. Now let's understand the important function of SEBI. The first responsibility is to protect investors. SEBI takes action against insider trading. For example, if a company director knows confidential information and uses it to earn illegal profits, SEBI can investigate and punish such activities. SEBI also acts against price manipulation. Suppose a group of people artificially increases the price of a share to attract innocent investors and later sells their own shares. SEBI monitors such unfair practices and takes action against those responsible. SEBI also conducts investors awareness programs to educate people but about safe investing. The SEBI creates rules for the stock market. No stockbroker, investment advisor, or portfolio manager can legally operate without SEBI registration. SEBI also frames rules for company takeovers and other important market activities to protect investors. Next, developmental functions. SEBI continuously improves the Indian stock market. Earlier, investors received paper share certificates. Today, because of digital demat accounts, shares are stored electronically. SEBI has also introduced faster settlement systems, making share transaction quicker and more efficient. These improvements have made investing much easier for everyone. What is scores? Now suppose you have a problem with your stockbroker. Maybe your broker does not transfer your money or your shares are blocked. What should you do? SEBI has created an online complaint system called SCORES, which stands for SEBI Complaints Redress System. Through this portal, investors can register complaints. The concerned broker or company is required to respond and resolve the complaint with the prescribed time. This provides an important protection for investors. Let's remember SEBI with one simple line. SEBI protects, SEBI regulates, SEBI develops. These are the three main rules of SEBI. Key takeaway: SEBI is the guardian of the Indian stock market. It protects investors. It regulates companies and market intermediaries. It develops the market by introducing better systems and technology. Because of SEBI, the Indian stock market has become safer, more transparent, and more organized. In our next video, we will continue learning another important topic in our stock market course. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next class.